The greater Phoenix area may be a seller's market in terms of real estate, but there are plenty of opportunities for buyers. So Tara, here is an interesting statistic according to the Cromford Report, the big housing economy website here in town. Even though the greater Phoenix area is a seller's market, which we've seen over the years, and it was a very, very short buyer's market, it wouldn't be a seller's market if it weren't for hefty seller concessions. And what are you seeing since you work with so many buyers?
Yeah, that's exactly what we're seeing, is that these temporary interest rate buy downs and ways that we're using the concessions are allowing home buyers to purchase homes who certainly couldn't have a year ago. And so I think that those types of incentives to buyers are what's getting them off of the fence and into the market.
And so what are you seeing in terms of concessions?
That's really interesting, Rob. 3% is kind of industry standard, but if you want to get into these deeper interest rate discounts where we buy the rate down for the first couple years, that costs more than 3%. On an FHA loan, they'll allow you to get up to 6% if it can be negotiated. And we've got a couple right now where they're using down payment assistance and got enough in seller concessions to cover their closing costs. So depending on the loan program, there's certain restrictions, but in general, I would say 3% is industry standard.
Yeah. So if you're a buyer, I wouldn't be scared by the fact that it is a seller's market. I think now would be a great time to buy.
Yeah, for sure. And the homes, Rob, that are, properly prepared for listing, they look nice, they've been remodeled and are priced right. Those homes are still moving very quickly and sometimes with even multiple offers.
Yeah. So if you're looking to buy a home, we are certainly here to help you, Tara and myself. Please reach out, and thanks for watching.